Hey guys, Pete here with GIS Solutions. Today I'm going to show you what a File Geodatabase is in ArcGIS Pro, how to create it and use one, step by step. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so let's get started. So what is a File Geodatabase? A File Geodatabase is ESRI's native data storage format in ArcGIS Pro. It stores spatial data, tables, relationships, topology, domains, all inside a single structure container. And here are some side-by-side comparisons of a shapefile versus a File Geodatabase. When you open ArcGIS Pro and you add a new map and save this as a new project, ArcGIS Pro would automatically create a File Geodatabase. And you can see that here in the catalog pane. The geodatabase will be named default. Of course, you could always right-click on that and rename it to something a little more specific to your project. And if by some reason your project doesn't have a File Geodatabase and you want to create one, you just simply right-click on the main root folder, select New, and select File Geodatabase. Okay. You could also delete one by right-clicking and clicking on Delete. To add data to your File Geodatabase, you could right-click, navigate to Import, and whether it be feature classes or tables, this is how you would import them. So let's try feature classes. I have some point line and polygon data in another folder that we'll go ahead and bring in. So if I just go ahead and navigate to that, and I can select them all and click OK. You can see here they could do multiple files at once. And my output geodatabase is the one I just created. And go ahead and click on Run. If I just navigate back to the catalog pane and I expand out my geodatabase, I can see my point, line, and polygon features right here. And to add those to the map, I could just select them all and drag and drop them. And I can see now that my coordinate system isn't quite right. And to do that, if I right-click on Map, go down to Properties, Coordinate System, I'm going to change this to State Plane in my case here. This data here is in Tennessee. Click on Apply and OK, and there we go. You could also import tabular data. So same case, you just right-click onto the File Geodatabase and go to Import, and this time it's going to be tables. If you have something in your map document already, it'd probably show up right here, but in my case I need to navigate to it. So and here's my parcel data that I'm going to import. Click on Run, and I'll go back to my catalog pane, and there it is. Parcel data. Sometimes you might need to right-click on the File Geodatabase and refresh, but in this case it appeared right away. Again, I could just drag and drop that into my project. You could also connect to an existing File Geodatabase. So if I go outside of my project folder, which is this, to my main folder, right-click, and I click on Add Folder Connection. So here I'll go ahead and just navigate to where that lives. Expand it all, and here is that geodatabase, and here are the data sets that I want to add. I hope you guys found this useful. It's a basic understanding of what a file geodatabase is in ArcGIS Pro, how to create it, how to add data to it, and connect to another existing file geodatabase. As always, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to put a comment down below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.